Hey man, what's up? I think this is like my vlog number 3. Been a while since I made one the last time, but just thought I figured that I wanted to bring you guys along with my day today. So today's going to be a very interesting day. Woke up pretty early, around like 8:30 or something. Well, that's early for me because normally I'm working till like 5, 6 or 7 a.m. even, but went to bed early at around like 3 a.m. so woke up like 7:30, started working at 8. Had a meeting already. I've been working on the Facebook group, gonna do a lot of YouTube work, and I'm building my Facebook ads master course, so gonna do a lot of videos on that as well today. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with my journey today, so let's figure that out and let's jump into it. So just got off a call with Google. This is quite funny to sit like this. It's like when I'm making videos. So what's popping, guys? And so just got off a call with Google. Really great support they have actually. It was one of their consultants or like customer service, the marketing stuff. We're just following up on a call we had like a couple of weeks ago, so it was really great. I just called them, had some problems with one of my stores, had some questions actually. You can actually just call them if you have some questions regarding which bidding strategy you want to use for your ads or your shopping strategies. And I had some problems with one of the product feeds wasn't uploaded for one of the countries, and then I called them, and like a guy from the United States called me and helped me and walked me through it and everything a couple of weeks back. So it was one of the consultants from the Danish team which called me and just wanted to follow up, so we just had a chat. Really great support they have. I'm gonna film a new video now. That's what's coming up for me about, let's see, yeah, about Facebook ads in some sort of way. I think we're gonna make like a walkthrough of how to make a ads and my ideas, just like a basic beginner strategy for the Facebook advertisement. As sort of like a bit of a teaser, and I'm focusing a lot on Facebook ads at the moment because I'm making my Facebook ads course, so that's definitely interesting. From my last, I remember in all of my last vlogs I had like long hair, got that haircut done. It's a bit messy at the moment, but I think it turned out pretty well. So yeah, definitely great. Let's move on with the day. So just got off not a call, just finished off filming actually a 25-minute long Facebook ads breakdown, which is phenomenal in my opinion. Well, I guess it actually turned out pretty fucking great, so that is definitely awesome. So that's actually what right now I'm going to be working further on my Facebook ads master course. Still have a lot of videos to break down, but it's coming together pretty nicely, so let's just move further on with that. I just figured that this is probably going to be me just popping up all the time. There's like time in between when I'm filming it, but me just popping up, talking about my shit throughout the day. So yeah, just finished off filming a new course video, for the course, I guess. So that's actually really great. I should be like opening my doors a bit more because I have like these two doors sort of like things, and it's super great weather. I don't know, like the sun just sort of like goes in. We actually have like an apple fucking tree, if I can turn this shit around, and some my dad planted some like strawberries, but I think they need some water because it haven't actually rained in like 2 months in Denmark. We've never tried this before. I think it's this summer with the most summer days ever, and I think this is like some kale and shit, I don't know. Anyway, it was a great video. I just sort of like recorded, and I'm sitting and trying to record like 3 or 4 course video today. Made the Facebook video as well, which is great, so definitely strolling on that. So just got home from the gym. We're doing some arm workout today, so yeah, listening to some Drake, as you might be able to hear in the background. I think I've listened to this song a couple of times in this vlog already. Let me know what's your favorite song of the new Drake album. This is definitely mine. Go like In My Feeling. It's definitely great. So further on for the night is going to be more videos for my course and for some YouTube videos as well, and then a lot sort of like hang out with you guys in the Facebook group, and then some, of course, I'm gonna check up on the stores and have some meetings with the VAs. So yeah, definitely it's gonna be great. So just finished off filming another video. Sheesh, man, I've been filming like 5-6 videos today, I guess. I think I'm gonna do like another Facebook ads course. I'm like in my recording position again, but that's because I figured that the camera was on the table anyway and it was in focus, so I figured that just giving an update to the vlog. So what I actually just made a video on was that too many people are just saying that dropshipping is dead and dropshipping is going to die and all these different things. Dropshipping is never fucking going to die. Like, I'm just so sick of hearing it. It's all about differentiating yourself. It's all about your marketing approach. It's all about the way you market your products and your product descriptions, your store, your brand. For fuck's sake, you have a real business, man. Come on, give something to your business. I'm so sick of people who message me like, I've been running this ad for 2 days. I got 10 link clicks. Why haven't I made a sale? And then it's like, where their English is fucked up and everything. It's okay. You need to start somewhere. I'm not saying anything is wrong with that. I'm just saying have patience. Really need to have patience, because patience is going to pay off. It's fair that you don't really know all these different things in the beginning, but please then go ahead and try to learn it. Go onto YouTube, try to learn it that way, and really never give up, but just have patience when you go ahead. Make your ads, make your products, make your store. Have patience, build around it, love your store. Love your store, man, and then sort of like design it well. It's all about the feel and look of your store. That's really important for your conversion rate and everything. That was just sort of like the things that I went over in the video. Got a bit long actually. It was basically just an update on no, dropshipping is not dead, but actually came out really nice. So definitely go ahead and stay tuned for that. Definitely great. So just gonna hustle some more, man. Just keep hustling, guys. And one thing that I just want to note is when it's summer here in Denmark, it's only like dark 2 hours a day at this point of the year, because we had like summer. It's called sommerjævndøgn in Danish. I don't know what's called in English, but like the longest day of the year was like the 21st of June. So like a couple of weeks ago. So that means that the days are so long, which means I have a lot of light, a lot of time to record videos, which is really nice. But yeah, anyway, let's move on with the day. Yeah, okay, so this is just a little bit later from the little rant I made about that. So this is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much, all you beautiful people, for watching. And as always, give it a like if you thought you got something funny or useful out of the vlog. Hit the subscribe button to become a part of the family, and the notification bell to always be up to date whenever I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.